is on their feet, and they all got their money's worth tonight.
It's got very loud background noise because the creek is raging right out there, right out in front of the cave, but there's more snow than I anticipated here, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to make a fire. I hope I'm successful, otherwise it's gonna be pretty chilly here. Now that I've spent about 45 minutes getting the fire going, it's a bit hotter now, and we've got some wood going, although most of it's pretty wet out here. I've whittled a stick so that I can cook up some sausage right on the fire, and I'm just soaking up this sunshine as it's hitting the front of the cave. It's really beautiful. The smoke is swirling everywhere, and the sun just feels so good, so warm in this chilly cave. Well, that dinner was just delicious. The sausages were fantastic. They're Tuscan sausages, so there's mozzarella cheese, garlic, spices, tomato powder, red bell pepper, and they were smoky and sweet with a crispy outside. They were perfect. I'm grateful to eat good food in places like this. I'm surrounded by gorgeous scenery, and I'm glad I came out and explored a new spot. This cave is really cool, and I'd like to come back. So thanks for coming along. Ooh, that's sizzling now. You can feel it sizzle.